to Engineer Math Academy. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a very important skill in fractions: how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. This is a very important skill you need to understand before we move on to multiplication and division of fractions. And by the end of this video, you will be able to convert any mixed fraction or mixed number correctly and confidently. So let's get started. Okay, this is a recap of our previous lesson. In the last lesson, we talked about the different types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. We also did some addition and subtraction of fractions. I remembered I promised that part 2 will be multiplication and division of fractions, but I realized that if we don't understand conversion of fractions from mixed fractions to improper fractions and improper fractions back to mixed fractions, you may have issues when we go into multiplication and division of fractions. Hence, we are doing this lesson first. Now, today we are going to talk about how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. How do we convert this into an improper fraction? So let's take that as our first example for today. In a problem like this, there are 3 easy steps we need to take. The first step is to multiply the whole number, 1 in this case, by the denominator, 4. So we say 1 times 4. Remember, the whole number is 1 and the denominator is 4. So we do 1 times 4. If we do that, we get 4. So I will say 1 whole number 3/4 is equal to 1 times 4, the whole number, times the denominator will give me 4. Next, I will add the numerator. Remember, our numerator is 3. Now we say plus 3. That will give me 7. So our final solution will be 1 whole number 3/4 will be equal to 7/4. Now the denominator remains unchanged. What changes is the whole number and the numerator. Easy, right? Let's see another example. In this example, we have a similar problem. Remember the rule. First, identify the whole number, which is 4. The denominator is 5. So what do? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. That gives me 4 times 5, and I will get 20. Next, add the numerator, 2. The numerator is 2. Add it to the product, and that will lead us to 22. And that is it. 4 2/5 will be equal to 22/5. Quite easily done, right? Now, you go ahead and do this. Pause the video, do example 3, and show me what you've got in the comment section. Okay, assuming you've done yours, let's work this out together. The steps remain the same. 6 whole number 1/4. Remember, the whole number is 6. Denominator is 4. So we multiply the whole number by the denominator. If we do that, we arrive at 6 times 4 is 24. Next, add the numerator. The numerator here is 1. We add the numerator and we get 25. So our improper fraction is 25 over 4. Quite easily done. Now let's see how we can convert improper fractions back to mixed fractions. Let's go there. Okay, let's use 9 over 4 as our first example. Remember, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, we have an improper fraction. So what is the rule in this case? We divide the numerator by 4 by the denominator. So it's 9 divided by 4. Ask yourself, how many 4 can we get from 9? 9 divided by 4 is 2, remainder 1. If we remove 4 from 9, we still have 5. If we remove another 4 from 9, we now have 1 remaining. So we have 2 remainder 1. Once we have this, the problem is solved. We say 9 over 4 is equal to 2 whole number. 2 becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes our new numerator. So we say 2 whole number 1 over 4. So this is our mixed fraction. And what do we say? It is easy, quite easily done. Let's take example 2. Okay, we have example 2 here, 17 over 5. How do we go? The same procedure, just like example 1. We divide the numerator by the denominator. I will say, if I take 5 from 17, I take 5 from 17, I will have 12 left. If I take another 5 from 12, I will have 10 left. Sorry, if I take 5 from 12, I have 7 left. Now if I take another 5 from 7, I will have 2 left. So 2 becomes the remainder. How many 5 do I have in 17? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 17 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 2. And that is it. So I can now confidently say 17 over 5 is equal to, remember, this 3 becomes the whole number. 3 whole number 2 over 5. What do you say? Quite easily done. Let's take a third example and call it a day. At this stage, I'm very confident that you can do example 3 on your own. So pause the video and do that, so we compare our final answers. Go ahead. Okay, remember the procedure. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The shortcut is what I'm showing you here. 22 divided by 7. So I ask myself, if I remove 7 from 22, what do I have left? That's 15. If I remove another 7 from 15, what do I have left? 8. If I remove another 7 from 8, what do I have left? 1. Get this right. I remove 7 from 22. I have 15. This is the first 7 I removed from 22 and I get 15. I remove another 7 from 15. Second time I have 8. And I remove another 7 from 8. I get 1. So how many 7s do I have in 22? 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this 3 is my whole number. So 22 over 7 is equal to 3 as our whole number. We are having 1 as our remainder. So 1 over 7. If you have any question with what we have done so far, please drop your question in the comment section. I will go through all the comments and I will reply you accordingly. Okay, let's do a recap. First, we converted mixed fractions to improper fractions. We've also done the reverse, converting improper fractions to mixed fractions. Now, there are some common mistakes that students often make. 1. Do not forget to add the numerator. We have 4 plus 3. That gives us 7. Many students forget to add the numerator to their products. When they multiply the whole number by the denominator, they forget to add the numerator to 4 to get 7. So watch out against that. 2. They wrongly placed the numerator. Instead of saying 1 over 3, 1 whole number 3 over 4 is equals to 7 over 4. Many students wrongly say 4 over 7. Placing and flipping the final answers. This one is wrong. Then when converting improper fractions to mixed fractions, remember that the whole number comes from division. Many students have ended up writing something like this: 2 whole number 5 over 6. That is wrong. Remember, we need to divide. 6 divided 25 will give us 4. 4 whole number, and that is 24. We have 1 remaining, and that gives us 1 over 6. If you watch out for these errors, you will avoid many mistakes that will cost you valuable marks in your exams. Alright, here are your practice questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. That is it. If this video helped you, if you gained anything, please like and share this video. Also subscribe so that you don't miss the next video, where we will tackle the multiplication and division of fractions. I am Engineer Maths, and I'm here to help you build a solid mathematical foundation. I will see you in the next video.